What do a famous author, a Swedish princess, and a groundbreaking women's tennis star have in common? Plastic. Harry Potter author J.K. Rowling, tennis champion Kim Clijsters, and Sweden's crown princess Victoria have all been given the ultimate plastic accolade, being turned into a Barbie doll.
We are unveiling 3 unique Barbie dolls after 3 terrific women. One is Crown Princess Victoria of Sweden, who's well known for her philanthropic work. Kim Clijsters, of course, the world-famous tennis player, and J.K. Rowling, the author of those fantastic Harry Potter books. And the reason these one-of-a-kind dolls have been made is because this year we're really focusing on the second aspect of Barbie that makes her special, and that's her role as an aspirational role model for girls.
Tennis sensation Kim Clijsters stunned the sports world after capturing the US Open in 2009. The former world #1 had been away from tennis for almost 2 years to give birth to her first child. This working mum seems more than happy to be part of a toy legacy that has captured imaginations for decades.
Well, I feel so honored to be a part of the Barbie doll generation and to have that exclusive, the exclusive doll made for me is incredible. And I remember when I was younger, I used to play with Barbie dolls a lot, and so it's just nice to have those childhood memories come back for myself.
While the 3 women are honored to be immortalized by Mattel as one-of-a-kind dolls, this move will also help Barbie reinvent her own image, giving the impression of being a more substantial toy to potential customers and their parents. Unum Muneer, DawnNews.